Unang property, we have a raised to m times a raised to n. Okay, pag similar bases yan, tapos may mga exponents, so anong gagawin lang? Pagplasin ng exponent. Ganun rin, pag divide, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m times n. Pangatlo, a raised to m, tapos naka-raise ulit sa n, gagawin dyan, times mo lang. Pangapat, a times b raised to m. Pag ganyan naman, gagawin, distribute mo lang. A raised to m times b raised to m. Then, panglima, doon rin pag sa division, raised to m, i-distribute mo lang din. 6, a raised to m over n. Yan naman, square root lang yung nasa baba. Nth root of a raised to m. Pang-pito, a raised to negative m. Gagawin mo lang dyan, kunin mo yung inverse. Okay, then lastly, a raised to 0 equal to, yan, mga properties ng ating exponent. Okay, so number 30, paano natin i-solve yan? Okay, so dalawang solution tayo dyan, pwede natin gawin. Una, simplify natin isa-isa. Simplify muna natin yung x squared y cubed z raised to negative 2 and raised to negative 3. Okay, simplify lang muna natin yan. That will be, anong property yan? Property number 3. So, times mo lang, negative 6, y raised to 3 times negative 3, that is negative 9, z raised to negative 2 times negative 3, 6. Okay, then sa pangalawa naman, simplify rin natin. X raised to negative 3 times y times z raised to 3, 1/2. Okay, property number 3 ulit. X raised to negative 3 halves, y raised to 1/2, z raised to 3 halves. Then, pangatlo, x, y, z raised to negative 3 raised to x squared, y squared, z raised to negative 6. Okay, then lastly, simplify mo siya ng magkakasama. So that will be x times negative 6, y negative 9, z raised to 6 times x raised to negative 3 halves, y raised to 1/2, z raised to 3 halves, divided by x squared, y squared, z raised to 6. Anong gagawin mo lang? Pag times, i-plus, pag divide, i-minus. X raised to negative 6 plus negative 3 halves minus 2. Then, baba na lang natin ilagay. Kasya. Yung y mo naman, ito yan. Negative 6, negative 3 halves, at saka 2. Okay? Ito yun. Then, yung y natin, Y natin, negative 9, 1/2 at saka 2. Okay, so Y times raised to negative 9 plus 1/2 minus 2. Then, yung Z naman, 6 plus 3/2 minus 6. Okay, then calculator na lang yan. Kukuha mo na yung final answer. That will be tama ba? Tayo nagkamali. May negative 1/2 pala to. Sorry. Negative 1/2, so maging plus to. Minus, maging minus. Tayo nagkamali. Plus, minus, minus. Okay, so magiging plus 3/2. Then, magiging minus 1/2. Saka minus 3/2. Tama na ba? Pa yung may mali. Negative 5/2 sa inyo. Okay, negative 5/2 to. So, ano yung ginawa natin? So, this will become negative 5/2. Katan ko na. X raised to negative 5/2. Y raised to negative 5/2. Z raised to 15 over. Negative 5/2. Y raised to negative 5/2. Z raised to 15 over. Tama na. Palitan natin. 5/2. So, negative 5/2. So, that will become minus negative 5/2. Ganun rin dito, minus negative 5/2. Then, minus 15 over. Calculator na lang. Negative 6 plus 3/2. Negative tapos plus 5. So that will be negative 2. Negative 9 minus 1/2 plus 5/2. That will be negative 7. Yun natin. Magkakasama. Tapos yung 6. Naman siya. So say now equal to 6 minus 3/2 minus over 2. Negative 3. Or this can be equal to 1 over x raised to 2, y raised to 7, z cubed. So that will be your final answer. That is letter B. Tama ba? Letter yan. Ingat na lang sa pagsasolve. Okay, yung solution 1 yan. Ngayon yung solution 2, okay ko na lang dito. Solution 1. Solution 2 nyo, pwede kang gumamit ng calc. Mag-assume ka ng value ng x, y, z. Assume x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. Okay, try natin. Okay, try natin kung gagana yan. x squared y cubed z, palitan lang natin ng a raised to negative 2. Tama ba? Then, raised to negative 3 times x raised to negative 3 y z raised to negative positive 3. Then, 1 half over negative 1 half x y z raised to negative 3 and negative 5 halves. Half on yung x mo, y is 2, z is 3. So, 1 over 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, try naman natin ngayon sa baba. Yung letter A, dapat mapalabas natin si 3, 4, 5, 6. A raised to 5. Half, 1, 2, 3. Okay, mali na si letter A. Try natin si letter B. Half, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, si letter pare. Okay, try natin yung iba. May iba pa tayong makuha sagot. 5. Wala na. Okay, so letter B lang din talaga. Okay, paki-screenshot na lang. Part 1. Then, part 2. Okay, next item tayo, number 31. What is the value of x if the logarithm x 1296 is equal to 4? Okay, naituro ko na kanina kung paano mag-convert ng logarithm. Tama? So that will become logarithm x now. 1296 is equal to 4. So, base x yan logarithm base x 1296. So that will become x raised to 4 is equal to 1296. Okay, then x now is equal to 4th root of 1296. 4th root of 1296. So, final answer, 6. Letter C. Next, number 32. Okay, screenshot. Number 32. Find the inverse function. So, ang hinahanap, inverse function ng y is equal to f of x is equal to 2x minus 6. Okay, yung inverse function, hindi siya ganyan. Okay, that is not the inverse function. Paano ba yung inverse function? Ang inverse function, palitan mo si x ng y at si y ng x. Okay, change y to x. Try ko na lang. Inverse function, you need to change y to x and x to y. Okay, then find y. Okay, so sa given function natin, y is equal to f of x. Hindi na natin sasali si f of x. Y is equal to 2x minus 6. So, hanapin mo daw yung inverse function. So, palitan mo lang si y ng x at si x ng y. Okay? Palitan mo lang. X is equal to 2y minus 6. Then, hanapin mo si y. Y now is equal to 1 half times x plus 6. So, that will be your inverse function. Pag sinimplify mo yan, x over 2 plus 6 over 2, or that is 3. So that will be your final. Okay? X over 2 plus 3. That is letter C. Okay, 33. Given log of 4, 7 is equal to n. Log 7 base 4 is equal to n. Hanapin mo daw si log 4, 1, 7 yung hinahanap. Okay. So, paano ngayon yan? Gamit ka lang nung property natin ng logarithm. So, that will become, anong property ng logarithm natin yan? That is property number 2 in division. Tama? Log of 4, log 1 base 4 minus log 7 base 4. Tama? Log 1/7 base 4 is equal to log 1 base 4 minus log 7 base 4. Okay, kunin mo na lang yan ng calculator. Log 7 base 4 mo is n. So, log 1 base 4 minus n. So, ilan ang log ng 1? Log 1. Mali. Log base 4, 1. That is 0. So, 0 minus n. Final answer will be negative n. Letter D. Okay, pang-screenshot. Okay, next item tayo. Number 34. Find the rational number equivalent to repeating decimal 2.352424. So, anong gagawin lang dyan? Use calculator. Okay? Use calculator lang. Gamitin mo lang yung calculator mo para mapalabas yung tama. So, 23273 divided by 99. 2.35, sumalayo. Ito natin. 49. So, iba pa rin. 2.352424. So, final answer will be letter C. Okay, next item tayo, number 35. Find the 1,987 digit decimal equivalent 1785 to 9999. Okay, so divide lang muna natin. 1785 divided by 9999 will be 0.1785, 1785 power to the 10. So, 1785 over 999 equal lang yan kay 0.1785. Yan yung naulit. Okay? Ngayon, hindi mo na kailangang bilangin na hanggang 1,000 plus. Anong gagawin mo lang? Kung ilang number yung naulit, i-divide mo dun sa 1987. So, 1987, ilang number pa yung naulit lang? 4. So, divided by 4. So, 1987 divided by 4 equals, then shift SD, 49634. 496, gawin mo lang siyang mixed fraction. Tapos, kunin mo yung value ng numerator. So, 3. Ibig sabihin, yung pang 1,987 na number or na digit is pangatlo. So, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So, third digit now is 8. So, ang pang 1,987 na digit will also be equal to 8. Okay? So, that is how you solve or hanapin yung pang 1,987 na digit. Okay, number 36. Round off 0.003086 to the 3 significant figures. Punta ka lang dyan kay scientific method. So, shift mode. Tapos yung sign. Okay, 7. Tapos, ano yung sabi? 3 significant. So, click 3. Okay, so, ano lang yan? Shift mode 7. Okay, so 0.003086. Input mo lang yan. Lalabas yung final answer. That will be 3.09 times 10 raised to negative 3. Better? Okay, next, 37. Round off 2.371 times 10 raised to negative 8 to 2 significant figures. So, punta ka lang ulit kay shift mode 7. Then, click mo lang si 2. Shift mode 7. Tapos 2 significant figures lang. Input mo yung given, 2.371 times 10 raised to negative 8. So that will be 2.4 times 10 raised to negative 8. Okay, that will be letter A. For 38, what is the lowest common factor of 10 and 32? So lowest common factor, yun lang yung pinaka mababang pwede mong i-factor out sa kanila. Ano ba yung pwede mong i-factor kay 10 at kay 32? Piliin na natin yung unang pinakamababa. That will be 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So, ano yung pinaka-least or lowest common factor nila? That is 2. Letter B. Okay, number 39. The number 12 and 6 has the greatest common divisor of, okay, greatest common divisor lang. Alin yung pwede mong pinakamalaking pwedeng i-divide kay 12 at 16? 12, 16, ano yung pwede natin i-divide sa kanya? Pwede natin i-divide ng 4. 12 divided by 4, 3. 16 divided by 4, 4. Okay, ano yung pwedeng pinakamalaking divide? That is 4. Letter B. For 40, 10 less than 4 times a certain number is 14. Determine the number. So, nasa worded problem na tayo. This is a number problem. Okay, sabi niya dyan, si 10 daw is less than 4 times certain number. Okay, let x the number. Okay. Then 10 less than 4 times a certain number. Paano yan natin gagawing equation? Pag may nakita kayong less than, more than, greater than, okay, ang gagawin nyo dyan, unahin yung isulat yung nasa dulo. Okay, so ano yung nasa dulo? 4 times a certain number. So yan yung una yung input. 4 times a certain number is less than 10. So minus 10. Okay, yun yung technique dyan sa number worded problem. Kung may nakita kayong than, or less than, greater than, more than, mga ganon, unahin yung input, yung nasa huling nabanggit. Ano ba yung huling nabanggit? 4 times. Tapos, itong is, pag may nakita kayong ganyan, ibig sabihin yan, equals. Okay? So, 10 less than 4 times a number, this is 4x minus 10 is, so equals 14. Determine the number. X now is equal to, solve nyo na lang kung tinatamad kayong isolve. But ang sagot dyan, 24 divided by 4. Tama? This is 24, this is 4. X now is equal to, that will be your final answer. Letter A. Okay, number 41. Paki-screenshot.